How to stop post-nasal drips, also referred to as upper airway cough syndrome. Post-nasal drips is a condition resulting from the nasal mucus producing excessive mucus. The mucus in your body usually helps fighting infection and clear the foreign particles you inhale. However, when the amount of mucus produced is more than actually required, it accumulates in the nasal passage and often drips back, resulting post-nasal drips syndromes. Some of the common cases of post-nasal drips are allergies, sinus infections, climate changes, infections that cause flu and cold, a cold, a temperature, drugs for blood pressure, birth control pills, pregnancy, spicy foods, etc. Some of the signs and symptoms of the condition include nausea, difficulty in swallowing, coughs that worsen at night, soreness in the throat, and bad breath. So the three natural remedies: instead of using medication prescribed by a physician, you can use natural remedies that can effectively stop post-nasal drips. Here is a look at some of the best home remedies to stop the uncomfortable and irritating symptoms that come with this condition. So the first remedy is the ACV, apple cider vinegar. Is well known for its medicinal properties and is used as an important ingredient in many home remedies for countless forms of health issues. It is also a superb natural remedy for stopping post-nasal drips as it has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can effectively help in reducing inflammation in the nasal passage and fight the condition. So how to use this apple cider vinegar for nasal drips: add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and stir well. Drink this mixture 2 times every day for best result. If you like, you add a bit of honey for a flavor. The second remedy is the honey, used for hundreds of years for its powerful medicinal properties. Honey is a great natural treatment for various health issues. It has superb diagnostic and continuous anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help in treating cough and cold. These simple home remedies will stop post-nasal drips and make you feel much better in no time at all. Use for honey: add 1 tablespoon of organic honey to 1 cup of warm water. Mix well and drink the mixture. Repeat 2 to 3 times in a day until symptoms of the condition to stop. The third remedy is the ginger tea. Ginger has antibacterial properties due to a component it contains gingerol. Apart from this, the herb is also anti-inflammatory and is able to act as a decognizant. All these properties make it an excellent home remedies for naturally treating post-nasal drips. The use of ginger tea: slice 1 to 2 inches of fresh ginger. Step the ginger pieces in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink the ginger tea before it gets too cold. You can add honey if you wish to. The symptoms of post-nasal drips can be uncomfortable and irritating, making it imperative that you stop the condition as soon as possible. The good news is that here are 3 great natural remedies that work very well to stop nasal drips and providing relief from its many symptoms. These remedies are simple, inexpensive, and best of all, highly effective. Thanks you for watching. Keep subscribing our channel. Thank you very much.